Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these mini glow-in-the-dark figurines. They are sensory toys. They come in all different colors, and it comes with a light as well. So let's take a closer look right over here. This is exactly what they look like. These are different colors we're going to get. They come in this nice bag right here. We're going to get 24 of these total. These will glow in the dark. So we got a blue color right over here. We got like a reddish orange color. We got a green color right over here, and we have a pink color. These are going to be great for gifts, presents in gift bags, goodie bags, party flavors, or if you just want some great sensory toys. They do move around. So you can see this tail right over here. It goes up, it goes down. The head right over here moves as well. And then these kind of hands and legs move as well. This is going to be the flashlight you get as well. So you can put them over here and it will illuminate a little more when they do grow in the dark. They will last pretty much the whole night in the glowing dark. This right over here will need three AAA batteries. They do not come with it, so you'll have to get that separately. But you literally just pop them in this little chamber right over here, put this shut, and you are good to go. Like the fact that they have all these different colors. Really, really cool. So if you are looking for some great glow-in-the-dark figurines for party flavors, goodie bags, or just a great toy to keep around that move all around, come in different colors, definitely check these out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.